Good morning. Just check whether my voice is audible. Hello. Sudarshan, whether my voice is audible? Hello.
Sir.
Huh? Which problem was going on? Can anybody tell?
झालाय सर हा.
Over. Okay,
Yes,
this one.
No sir.
This one is over. So what we were supposed to find in this problem? Actually it is over, no? So let us see next now. Few problems we will solve, then we will conclude this chapter. Can we read 38? Will you read this problem?
Yes sir. A body of weight 300 Newton is lying on a rough horizontal plane for which mu is equal to 0.30. Determine magnitude of force which can move a body while acting an angle of 25 degree with horizontal.
Very good. Thank you. So what we are supposed to find before that, what is given that we should know. So once we are going to read the problem, it is necessary to know what it is given. So now I will not go in repeat what we have having formula, mu is equal to tan phi, tan alpha, what is alpha, etc. So reading the problem, can anybody tell me what is given in this?
Weight mu and alpha.
Weight is given. How much it is?
300 Newton.
300 Newton.
300 Newton. Again?
Mu is equal to 0.30.
Mu is equal to?
0.30.
0.30.
0.30 or 3. Again?
Alpha.
Whether alpha is given?
Yes, sir.
Alpha is given. What is alpha? Who is telling?
25 degree.
Ankita or Anisha, what is Shinde? What is alpha? For which we are giving notation as alpha?
Phi sir. Phi.
What is 25 degree here?
Angle of friction.
Angle of friction is phi. And what is alpha? Angle of friction. What is the name of alpha?
Angle of repose.
Angle of repose.
Angle of repose. What is the definition of angle of repose?
Angle made by inclined surface with horizontal.
Inclined surface or inclined plane with whom?
Horizontal.
With horizontal. Whether this 25 degrees angle made by the plane or surface?
No.
With horizontal. Ankita. So this is plane where I am now drawing this. This is our plane. And with this 25 degree, actually this angle is made by whom?
Horizontal.
What? By whom? The 25 degree angle is made with horizontal. Kuni angle केलेला आहे हा 25 degree. Whether
Force.
by force or by pulling force, we can say whatever force is applied. What is change in this problem? Whatever force is applied to the body, it is not horizontal. येते का लक्षात? Inclined force is applied at an angle of how much?
25 degree.
25 degree means whatever problem still now we have solved. In all cases, horizontal force was applied, horizontal directly. But in this case, which force is applied? Inclined force is applied. Inclined force. It is not neither it is angle of what you were saying, angle of repose, or neither it is angle of friction. हा 25 degree हा angle आहे म्हणून You cannot say something like this. It is angle of repose or angle of friction. What it is there? It is just a angle made by force, applied force, I will say, or pull with the horizontal. That is the 25 degree. So that actually notation is not there for that angle. So here I will write angle made by force. So like this I will write 25 degree with horizontal again. Now that applied force is horizontal. So while applying summation epic, now inclined plane is, I will ask one more question. So whatever plane is given, whether it is horizontal or inclined,
Horizontal.
plane is horizontal. Plane itself is a horizontal. It is not inclined, or we can say vertical. It is not possible. Horizontal. So plane is whatever surface or plane is there. It is a horizontal. But force applied to the body is inclined with 25 degree. It is as simple as this. And what we want to find? What we want to find?
Magnitude of force.
Magnitude of force means P.
P.
Again, only P. Again, what we want to find?
P.
Only P. I am unable to read the statement.
Only P, sir. Determine
Only
the
P.
magnitude.
P, sir.
Okay. Only P we want to find out now. Now, whatever inclined force is there, so if you will resolve that force along x and y axis, so what will be its x component or horizontal component of force P?
P cos 25.
P cos 25. Here already it is written. P cos 25. And what will be its y component?
P sin 25.
P sin 25. Now, as body is in equilibrium condition, applying conditions of equilibrium. So what will be the first condition? So let us apply summation Fy is equal to 0. What will happen? We will tell summation Fy is equal to 0.
P sin 25 minus W is equal to 0.
In vertical direction only P sin 25 will be there, or something else will be there?
R.
P sin 25. Is there any force which is vertical? Plus
R.
Minus
300 Newton.
Minus 300 Newton.
Minus 300 Newton equal to 0. So if we will write something like this now, this. So what is the value of sin 25? Will you calculate sin 25?
0.42.
0.42 P plus R equal to 300. So this is, there are two unknowns in this, P and R. Okay. Next. Summation Fx is equal to 0. Summation Fx is equal to 0. What will be the equation? Summation Fx.
P cos 25.
P cos 25 minus F.
P cos 25 minus
Yep.
F.
minus F equal to
0.
equal to 0. One equation already we got. So here in terms of P and R, already we got. Now here another equation we got here. P cos 25 minus F. Is it possible to write this F in some other terms? What is well?
R.
F is equal to in terms of R?
Mu R.
Mu R. So P cos 25 minus mu R. Mu R equal to 0. So what is the value of cos 25?
0.90.
0.90.
90.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
90 P minus, what is value of mu is given in the problem?
0.30.
0.30 R. Correct. R is unknown. Equal to?
0.
Equal to 0. So are you knowing two simultaneous equations in terms of P and R? Is it possible to solve 0.90p minus 0.3 r equal to 0 using calculator? Two equations, two unknown. Are you knowing how to solve on Calci?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You solve. So I will write here after this. Solving simultaneous equations. Solve on Calci. Solving simultaneous equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Directly you will get value of P, value of R. AX plus whatever it was, AX plus BY is equal to C, something like that. Form is there for that simultaneous equations. So by using calculator you can solve. Are you knowing how to solve on calculator?
Yes, sir.
Solve it and tell me value of P and R. Two equations, two unknown.
$87.71.
87.71.
71.
What is the value? Which value?
P.
87.71.
71.
Yeah, unit is given Newton. Value of R. R is not asked, only P is asked. Value of R.
263.15.
263.15 Newton is the correct answer. These are the answers for this. Very simple. Solving simultaneous equations. In your mathematics, you might have did some making equal coefficient, etc. So we are having freedom to use calculator even in university exam. So we should know how to use calculator. Directly you will get values of two unknowns when you are having two equations. So that will be P and R. Any problem? What was the change? Ankita or what roll number? Which one is that? Something Shinde, 40 something. 40.
Yes, sir.
What was the change in this problem? Shinde. What was the change? In earlier problem, what was there? Whatever force was applied, it was horizontal. But in this case, what is changed? Whatever force is applied, it is
Inclined.
It is inclined. And then what we have did for that inclined force? What we have did? That inclined force we have resolved along x-axis and y-axis. Correct? And then we have taken summation fx, summation fy. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Hello, sir. Lecture मध्ये हो. Next. Sorry, same problem. So will you take for your for homework, or will you solve here only? Who will read? 35 will read loudly. Same problem, only angle is different. Same problem. 35 roll number, read it loudly.
A block of weight 80 Newton is placed on a horizontal plane where the coefficient of friction is mu is equals to 0.25. Find the force of 30 degree up to the horizontal to just move the block.
Just move the block means, thank you. Just move the block means body is in limiting equilibrium. Same problem. What is changed in this problem? Only angle is changed, nothing else. And weight of body is different. Earlier, how much it was? 300 Newton. Now it was 80. Same problem. Shall I give 5 minutes or will you solve this problem?
Yes.
Will you solve now or will you take it as a homework? Same problem.
नंतर सोडवतो सर.
Sodota?
Homework, sir.
Take it. Same problem. Only values are changed. W value is changed and. So let me check. Are you able to solve? So value of W is changed here. So in solution.
Yes, sir.
W value is now 80 Newton. And mu is how much it is given? Mu
0.25.
0.25. What we are supposed to find? Same problem. To find
P.
Force P.
Force P is equal to how much? That's all. Same problem. Only value of W and V is changed. So you can calculate this. Very simple again. So shall I tell how much value it is or will you calculate?
We calculate, sir.
Okay, you calculate and remind me afterwards. So shall we go next? Same problem is there, nothing new in this. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next now. A different type of problem. Different type of problem now. Who will read loudly? Shubham, rule number 16. Read it loudly.
Calculate the force P applied parallel to plane just to move block up the plane. If the block is weighing 500 Newton is placed as on inclined plane at an angle of 20 degrees with the horizontal. Coefficient of friction is 0.14.
0.14 coefficient of friction. So once again you can read. Thank you. Calculate the force P applied parallel to plane just to move block up the plane. If the block is weighing 500 Newton is placed as on inclined plane at an angle of 20 degree with the horizontal. Also coefficient of friction is 0.14 or 14. So read the problem and let me check which things are given in this problem. So you can read. So let us in solution. Let us start with given. What is given in the problem? Which things are given? Which things are given?
Weight.
Weight
500
W is
Newton.
equal to 500 Newton.
Weight of body is given. W is equal to how much?
500 Newton.
500 Newton.
500 Newton. Next, what it is given again?
Alpha.
Very good.
20.
Whether plane is horizontal or inclined?
Inclined.
Plane is inclined. So which angle is given?
Angle of repose.
Angle of repose. How much it is?
20
20.
20 degree. Again, what it is given?
Mu.
Mu is given. What we are calling for mu?
Mu.
Coefficient of?
Coefficient of friction.
Coefficient of friction. We are calling it as a coefficient of friction. Now, what we are supposed to find?
Force
P.
P.
Force P.
Force P. Force P.
Force P. To find force P is equal to how much? To find force P is equal to how much? Okay. Now you can see the figure. A plane is given which is inclined at 20 degree with the horizontal. So as we know, weight is always acting in what the direction? Vertically downward. I will little modified it. How weight is acting?
Vertically downward.
Vertically downward. Weight is always acting vertically downward. Okay. And so here one thing. So this angle is 20 degree. It is given. Angle of repose. So if you'll see, or the angle made by this weight with this, how this 20 will come? Is it possible to understand how that angle is coming 20 with vertical? So one sentence I have told earlier. Okay, which was that angle made by plane with horizontal is equal to angle made by normal reaction with vertical. With vertical. That sentence is now will play very important role here. Angle made by plane. So here I will write angle by plane. In short, angle by plane with horizontal, this is very important, with horizontal, this is important, equal to angle made by normal reaction, angle made by normal reaction with whom?
Vertical.
With vertical. These angles are always equal, angle made by normal with vertical, again with vertical. So this, if this thing is if you are going to know, problem is almost over, we can see. It is very simple. Angle made by plane and angle made by normal with vertical. Angle made by plane with horizontal equal to angle made by normal with vertical. If this thing is known, in this problem nothing is there. Otherwise you can apply geometry. If you are unable to understand, you can apply again geometry and you can check how it will be. So we have solved one or two problems to satisfy this. So whatever angle made by this W, so that will be 20. And afterwards, now one more change in this problem. So whatever resolution we are taking along x-axis and along y-axis. So in this case, we have to take along the plane and perpendicular to plane. That one more thing is different in this, along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. So this W will make the angle of 20 degree with the normal, this angle between normal and this vertical is 20 degree. Okay, so once we are going to resolve this force along this normal, now I am saying, I am not saying intentionally along vertical, because this is not vertical, this R reaction, it is not vertical, it is also inclined. So that will be W cos, any problem here, because angle made with is 20. And as this direction is going downward, so that another component will go towards left hand side, W sin 20. Any problem up to this? So this W we have resolved. Once this W is resolved, perpendicular to the plane and along the plane, and now I am saying, so for my information, I will give name as AB. Angle made by this AB plane with horizontal is 20 degree. Now whatever summation fx and fy I am going to take, how I am going to take now? Along the plane and perpendicular to plane or normal to the plane. So till now, whenever the plane was horizontal, what we were taking? Summation fx along horizontal, summation fy perpendicular to, we can say horizontal means vertical simply. So now whatever summation conditions of equilibrium we are going to apply, that we are going to apply how? Along the plane AB, that will be our summation fx, and perpendicular to the plane, that will be our summation fy. Are you getting what is the change? Once plane is inclined, ज्यावेळी plane हा inclined दिलेला असतो, in that case summation fx we have to take along the plane and summation fy we have to take normal to the plane or perpendicular to plane. Any problem? In short, in this problem, instead of horizontal plane, plane is inclined. Plane is inclined. That's why we have to take this. So shall we apply some conditions of equilibrium?
Yes, sir.
Apply conditions of equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium. What will be? Suppose I will ask which I will summation. Let us fy is equal to 0. What will be the equation now? What will be the summation fy?
R minus W. R minus
20.
W minus W cos 20.
R, correct. R
minus W cos 20.
Minus W
cos 20.
minus W कसं काय येणार अजून? Minus W, 2 times you are saying W.
R minus W cos 20, sir.
R minus W cos 20 equal to 0. Simply, what we have did, that W force, see here, roll number 38. This force we have resolved perpendicular to along this, we can say normal reaction and perpendicular to normal reaction. So once again you should not take now a W. इथे एक लक्षात काय म्हणतोय मी?
Yes, sir.
Once we have resolved this W force 500 Newton, now that's over. Now we have resolved as a W cos 20, W sin 20. Okay. इथे एक लक्षात परत तुम्ही अजून हे व्हर्टिकल आहे म्हणून याला मायनस घ्यायचं नाही, because we have resolved it already into its two component. Now we should not take this minus W. मी तेच सांगतोय मगापासून. प्लेन हा इन्क्लाइंड आहे, समेशन fx आणि fy along the plane and perpendicular to plane. That's all. आता इथे मी हॉरिझॉन्टल म्हणत नाही स्पेसिफिक, बिकॉज प्लेन इज नॉट हॉरिझॉन्टल. नाउ along the plane माझा स्पेसिफिक वर्ड काय आहे? along the plane perpendicular to plane. Summation fx along the plane, summation fy perpendicular to plane. That's all. इथे एक लक्षात. What will be then? This equation will become r is equal to
W cos 20.
W cos 20. Whether we are knowing W?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is that value? 500 into
500.
into cos 20. How much it is?
465.
469.8.
460.
9.8.
9.8
8.
Newton. So this is our summation fy. Okay. Now, if I will apply now summation fx is equal to 0. So how you are going to resolve the forces along summation fx means now what will be? Along the plane AB.
Along the horizontal.
P minus W sin 20.
Very good. P minus.
W sin 20.
What about F?
Minus F.
Minus F.
P minus. Shall I write?
W.
F
P
minus
minus F minus
minus
W.
W
P
sin
minus
20.
F minus
Minus
W
W
sin
sin
20.
W sin 20.
W sin
20.
20 equal to 0. So in this equation, which terms we are knowing? So I will write P is equal to
W.
F plus W sin 20. Whether we are knowing F, frictional force F.
Yes, sir. Mu R.
Okay, we can write F as a mu R. Mu R. Whether we are knowing W.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
500.
500.
500.
500 sin 20. Sin 20. So what is value of mu? 0.14. What is value of R we have found out?
469.8.
469.8.
8. Plus 500 sin 20. So this will be value of P, which we want to find out. P is equal to, therefore P is equal to, calculate the value and get.
236.77.
Two 336.78.
What is value?
236.78.
230?
6.78.
236.78 is the correct answer. Very simple. Many more problems are available to solve such problems. Very simple. Only what was the change in this problem? That we should know what is the change and what it is given. What was the change in this problem? Plane is how? No, resolution not. Plane. First
Inclined.
change is plane. Plane is inclined. Whatever problems we have solved, in all problems, plane was
Horizontal.
horizontal.
Block is moving upward.
Horizontal. And in this case, plane is on inclined. Plane is inclined, we can say, and on that there is a block or body. Now only while taking summation apex, now you may say summation apex we are taking horizontally. What we are assuming? Summation apex along the plane, summation fy perpendicular to plane. That is the change only. And now one more instruction. You might have got IEC marks. Okay, so for our subject, actually that form was of 20 mark. So whatever marks you got for our subject, it was out of 20. So yesterday I received some phone calls from students. It is not out of 30, it is from 20. So what will happen? Today again you will receive one revised message plus 10. So whatever marks you got out of, suppose 20, you got 18. So 18 plus 10, 20, 28. Don't take tension. Those who have got 15, 16, 17, it was out of how much?
20.
20. So 20. So plus 10 now. Plus 10, you can go for plus 10. That will be out of 30. Okay. For our calculation, we will do that. Any problem in this problem?
सर सर त्यातलं ना सर आयसी मधलं एक सर ते पॉलिगॉनचं एक्झाम्पल होतं ते सर तेवढं सॉल्व्ह करून देता.
What was that? Polygon example?
Sir, IAC exam discuss kara.
Yes, sir.
We will discuss.
Lecture.
Surely. One lecture we will discuss that, and afterwards we will take one more test on only this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Next, same problem. Who will read? Shinde, 40.
A block of weighing 100 Newton on 30 degree is inclined a rough plane. If coefficient of friction is 0.25, calculate force required to the applied parallel to the plane to make the block slide.
To make the block slide. What is the change in first problem and this problem? Will you are you observing some change?
P and F are in same.
Yeah.
Sir, plane is perpendicular in at the plane parallel.
For what? What it is given? You can read once again. What it is given? A block of weighing 100 Newton on 30 degrees inclined a rough plane. If the coefficient of friction is given, calculate the force required to be applied parallel to the plane to make the block slide. Whether first problem and this problem is same or there is something difference?
Friction and force एक side.
Friction and force is at one side only. That is one very good observation. Again, if that is you are knowing, problem is very simple. Will you? So are you observing here what it is given? For frictional force and applied force is at one direction only. Is it necessary to solve or will you solve? Only one change is there in this problem. Solution. What it is given? W. How much it is? 100?
100
Newton.
Mu.
0.25.
0.25. Again, what it is given extra? Alpha.
Alpha 30
Alpha
degree.
is 30 degree.
30 degree. Again. Anything more is given?
No.
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 Force find करायचे.
P is equal to how much? P is equal to how much it is we want to find. Okay. So as we know, angle made by plane with horizontal is equal to angle made by reaction with vertical. That is as simple as this. Now if you will apply summation Now this, whatever this W is there, W that is 100 Newton, it is resolved along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. Along the plane, this 30-degree angle is made with vertical or horizontal? Vertical or horizontal 30 degree?
Vertical.
Vertical. So vertical component will be W cos 30.
Cos 30.
ज्याच्याशी अँगल केलेला आहे त्याचा cos घेणे. Similarly here, perpendicular to that sine. So if you apply summation Fy, what will happen?
R minus W cos
R minus
30.
W cos 30.
R minus W
W cos 30.
cos 30 is equal to 0. From this, is it possible to calculate R? 100 cos 30.
Yes.
How much it is?
86.6.
100 into cos 30.
100 into cos 30.
86.60.
86.60.
86.60.
160.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So R is knowing. Now summation Fy is, summation Fx is equal to 0. Resolving the forces along the plane. So P force is applied, which is going towards right hand side, means positive. F. How will be F? F will be plus or minus. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is a network issue. So where we were, once again I have to write now. Same problem. Only F is positive, nothing else. W is given, no? W. Once again tell me first. W is 100, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again what is
Yes.
given? Mu.
Mu
0.25
0.25.
0.25 alpha.
and 30 degree.
30.
30. P we want to find out. Correct. Summation Fy. Fy is equal to 0. So R minus W
Cos
Cos
30.
30.
cos 30 equal to 0. Therefore R directly tell now. What is W cos 30 value we got? 86.60.
86.78.
Summation Fy. Sorry, summation Fx is equal to 0. So P positive
Plus
F
F
minus
minus 100 sin 30
sin 30
equal
equal
to
to
0.
0. So P is equal to, so if it will go this side, it will become minus, no? Minus mu into R, I will write directly. Minus 100. Again, sorry, plus 100. Plus sin 30.
100 sin 30.
Sin 30. So value of mu is knowing. Mu, how much it is?
0.25.
0.25 into R we are knowing
60.
60 plus 100 sin 30. Therefore, P is equal to
28.35 Newton.
28.35
35
Newton.
Newton.
This we want to calculate, no? So
Yes,
there is
sir.
one concept in mechanics, smooth and rough surface. Smooth and rough. So keep in mind, what is that smooth and rough surface? Smooth surface, only one reaction. This basic I will tell. So whenever this word will come, smooth. So one reaction. And rough means what? Rough surface. If it is said in the statement, rough surface means it will have two reactions. In case of our cylinders and sphere problems, in case of cylinders and sphere problems, specifically it was mentioned that there is a smooth surface, means there is only one reaction. Whenever this word will be there, rough, two reactions. Likewise, we have to remember. So here also it is said, what it was said, rough. So in that case, actually it is a friction only. So that's why two reactions. So this is very basic. So when this word will come, two reactions in somewhere, not in this problem, but in our subject, whenever these two words will come, you have to keep in mind. So in all the problems we have taken as a smooth surface. So actually it was an assumption while solving the cylinder sphere problems. Okay. Next now. Shall we go next? I think one problem is remained from this chapter. Same problems are there. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, this problem came. I think just check whether we have solved this.
Yes, sir.
Solved,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last problem. Ladder. Actually, there are some problems of ladder also. Ladder you are knowing, no? So actually, these are lengthy problems, but again, we will solve one problem for our information. A ladder of length. Who will read? Sorali, you read. Sorali, 43.
A ladder of length 4 meter weighing 200 Newton is placed against a vertical wall as shown in the following figure. The coefficient of friction between the wall and the ladder is 0.2 and that between the floor and the ladder is 0.3. In addition to self-weight, the ladder has support a man weighing 600 Newton at a distance of 3 meters from A. Calculate the minimum horizontal force to be applied at A to prevent slipping.
So one ladder is placed where it is placed, one vertical wall is there and it is just placed between vertical wall and floor. Okay, so just it is kept, and how the surface is. So two different coefficient of frictions you will observe. Two different, a little lengthy problem. Last problem. A ladder of length is given. What is the name of ladder? You will see the diagram. Let me check. Correct. AB. AB is a ladder whose length is 4 meters. It is shown in figure also. Again, what is the weight of that ladder?
200 Newton.
200 Newton, correct. 200 Newton weight. So here I will write solution in which given how much it is. W is 200 Newton is placed against the wall as shown in following figure. Okay. The coefficient of friction between wall and ladder. Wall means vertical wall. So mu, I will say W equal to 0.2. W for wall and ladder, because ladder is common to wall and floor. Floor you are understanding, no, horizontal. The coefficient of friction between wall and ladder is 0.2 and that of between floor and ladder. So what name I should give between floor and mu F? 0.3. Then in addition to self weight, the ladder has support a man. Means there is one man on that ladder weighing 600 Newton at a distance of 3 meters from A. 3 meters from A. Okay. Calculate the minimum horizontal force to be applied at A to prevent slipping. SLIP. Slipping means घसरणे. We have to calculate the minimum horizontal force to be applied. आता बघा ही ladder आहे. I will ask simple question now. See the diagram. This ladder is having 200 Newton force, etc. All things are there. So that 200 Newton for self weight, we will say self weight we have to show at the midpoint or point G. G is called as center of gravity. That's all. But at point C, there is a man who is standing on that ladder. At what distance it is there? From A? 3 meter. 3 meter. So काय होतोय? 3 meter. If this ladder is going to slide, हा A point कुणीकडे जाईल? Whether it will go towards right or towards left. That thing we should.
Towards
left.
left.
towards left, because once that particular person will stand at point C of 600 Newton weight, I will say that ladder will, point A will go towards left or right?
Left.
Left. And what about point B? Whether it will go up or down?
Down.
Down.
It will go down. It will go down. Now this free body diagram we have to draw. This free body diagram we have to draw. What is free body diagram? Supports we should not show. Without diagram, without supports, only we will say, or I will draw somewhere here, that free body diagram of ladder we have to draw. So if I will draw somewhere here, something like this, ladder. Okay. Maybe that forces, etc. all things are shown already. So at the midpoint, suppose this is point A, this is point B. Self-weight will act where? At the midpoint. So here there will be self-weight. Suppose how much it is? 200?
200 Newton.
200. Again at point C. Here one more 600 Newton force is given. 600. Now reactions. So reactions are given, reactions. So at point A, how many reactions will be there? One vertical. One vertical. Here there will be one vertical reaction. Whether it will be there, let us say RA. One vertical. Okay. Now as this ladder is going to slip, SLIP, towards left, what will be the direction of frictional force at point A? Towards the right or towards left?
Left. Right.
Left.
Left का right? जर ladder point A हा left कडे चालला, slip होत, घसरत, तर frictional force ची direction कुणीकडे असेल?
Right.
Right side.
Right.
Right side. Correct. Opposite, because frictional force acting opposite. So shall I write here F A, frictional force at A. असं लिहू शकतो मी? Shall I write like this? In terms of RA, how I should write this in terms of RA? In case of here reaction, F is equal to, in terms of reaction, how I should write? Mu RA, something like this. Okay. Now consider point B. Reaction at point B will be horizontal. So how it will be? Here I will say RB, horizontal. From the wall. From wall it is horizontal. Okay. Now frictional force, whatever it will be there at point B, whether it will be upward or downward? Upward. Why? Yes. Because that ladder is going to slip downward at point B. That's why frictional force. So here, if I will write, frictional force will be something like this, FB, something like this, FB. And in terms of, here space is not there. So in terms of mu RB, it will be mu RB. Okay. Like this. And also, what we are supposed to find in this? What we are supposed to find? Calculate the minimum horizontal force to be applied at point where?
A.
At point A.
At point A. So where we have to show? To slipping, to avoid the slipping of ladder, I will say. So from where we have to apply the force? From which direction? From which direction? Left to right or right to left? To avoid the slipping of ladder?
Left to right.
Left to right.
Left to
Right.
Left to right we have to apply the force so that it will stop the, we can say, slipping. It will stop the slipping, something like this. Now where I have to show force, and whether point is mentioned somewhere here, at what point we have to apply or not? At point A. So where I will show something like this, suppose P or P. Here I will say P. From this direction we have to apply, space is not there. Now this is a BD of the given ladder. This is the FBD of given ladder. Okay. Now, if I am able to find, now applying the equations of equilibrium, unknowns are RA, RB, and P. So how we can find now? Just to think on this. How we can? If we will take movement at point A, which value we will get? Suppose
RB.
Whether we will get RB?
Yes, sir.
But distances also we have to know distances. If we apply, let us see, summation M moment at A equal to 0. So which forces will not come? P will not come, RA will not come, only RB will be there. Okay. So at point A, so who will tell equation? Which forces will come? 200 Newton force.
200.
So what will be the perpendicular distance of that 200 Newton?
4 meter.
From where? From point A. Angle is given 60. So what will be this angle?
30.
30 degree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is midpoint. So this distance, what will be this distance? This A, suppose what I should give name C, whether point C is there, D. D. So what will be AD distance? 30, 60, 90 triangle. So what will be the AD distance? Half of a diagonal. Or you can calculate. What will be AD distance? Tell me. Looking through diagram. What is AD?
2, sir.
2 meter.
2 meter. Half of a diagonal. 2 meter. So what will be this distance? This BD. Under root 3 by 2 into 4.
4.47.
203, sir.
How much? Under root 3 by 2 into
3.46.
Yes, 3.46.
3.46, sir.
3.46. Okay. So movement due to 200 Newton force. So that distance, if I will increase that distance, it will come somewhere here. Okay. So how will be movement? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So what will be the perpendicular distance of that 200 Newton force from point A? So this distance.
2 meter.
It is inclined distance. It is inclined distance. So I will give one more name, E. So angle AGE, triangle AGE. Again it will be 30, 60, 90 triangle. So what will be AE distance?
1 meter.
What will be AE distance?
1 meter.
1 meter, no?
1 meter.
Half of diagonal. 30 degree च्या समोरची बाजू ही diagonal च्या half असते, लक्षात ठेवायचं. So now if I will consider AGE, AG diagonal is 2 meters. So what will be AE?
1 meter.
1 meter. Simple. So 200 into 1 clockwise. What about 600 Newton force? 600 Newton force. If I will extend line of action of 600 Newton force, it will pass through this point, something like this. So what will be the distance between line of action of force 600 Newton and point A?
1.5.
1.5.
Correct.
1.5.
1.5. 1.5. So here 600 into 1.5. One more force. Now at point B. आता आपले B च्या ठिकाणचे दोन फोर्स राहिलेले आहेत. विचार दे. फर्स्ट वन इज FB. which is vertical, it is going vertically. So whatever moment it will generate, whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So that FB is nothing but mu RB. So what is value of mu? Next.
0.3.
Point two.
Okay.
0.2.
Okay. So this problem we will solve tomorrow. There is some emergency. Okay. Only one problem is remaining. So try to solve this. So we want to find value of P. If not, we will solve tomorrow. Okay. Once again, just read. Tomorrow we will solve, or maybe in afternoon session.